Hey, this is Andy Slammers from Amazing Freedom. Today I'm going to share with you 10 secrets on how I've been able to become $1 million seller on Amazon. Are you ready? Let's go. Secret number one is that it takes hard work. There's no magic pill. A lot of times people talking about selling on Amazon and they see it like as a passive income, and that's absolutely what it is not. It is not a passive income. It takes a lot of hard work. Becoming $1 million seller on Amazon is going to be a lot of hard work, and that's okay. The second secret is it takes capital. Now, when I first started selling on Amazon, I began by selling things around my house. I didn't start with a lot of money. I actually only started with $500, and I slowly built my way up to the ability where I could produce and manufacture products in China. If you have capital, you can start private labeling right away. But I just want you to know that there are ways where you can snowball your profits and get to the point where you can private label. But at the end of the day, to begin to manufacture your own product, you're gonna need capital. Here's the third secret, and don't miss this one. You need to pick a product that has customer demand. And so thankfully, a lot of great third-party software tools give us the data that we need to see what the market is pulling at. Oftentimes I'll have people come to me and they have a big idea, like they have a great invention that they want to produce and make to sell on Amazon. And unfortunately, I'm sometimes a dream killer because that's not what we recommend doing. It actually takes a lot of work to prototype, takes a lot of money. What we recommend is that you see what customers are already pulling at on Amazon by utilizing all the data that's out there. And so you bring a product that you know has customer demand. And so that's the third secret. When you pick a product, make sure it's a product that customers are searching for in that Amazon search bar. The fourth secret, know your keywords. Yes, this is super important. You need to know how Amazon customers are gonna find your products and what keywords they're gonna put in that Amazon search bar. Why is this so important? Because the world you and I live in now is all built on algorithms. This is how the digital age works. This is how Google works. This is how Amazon works. This is how any major online marketplace works. It's built on an algorithm, and that algorithm is bringing relevant search results back to the keywords their customers are putting in that search bar. So before you begin to look at your product, you need to find out what those keywords are. You need to know how competitive they are. When you put those keywords in, do 1,000 listings that are very similar show up on Amazon? Are there multiple pages of the same product for those keywords? I cannot impress this upon you enough. You must know what those keywords are. And again, thankfully to some great third-party software tools, you can find listings that are similar, and you can know relatively quickly what keywords Amazon shoppers are putting in to find those products. So make sure you know those keywords. Here's the fifth thing. You need to bring value to your customers. Look, don't just bring a product like my first product in 2014, which was a silicone spatula set. So back in 2014, silicone was just taking off. It was a hot product. People were trying to stay away from plastics. So you could put a silicone spatula set on Amazon and you could do okay because you were bringing value by bringing a relatively new product right to the marketplace. That was a plastic spatula set that was covered in silicone. You can't do that in 2020 because there's about 400 listings of silicone spatula sets. So just by bringing a Me Too product or a similar product like that to Amazon, you're not bringing any extra value. So let me give you 3 quick ways that you bring value. One is price. We don't recommend that. You never want to build your brand really by undercutting what's already out there, because it usually ends up in a losing proposition. The second way you bring value to your customer is quality. You can look on Amazon, and sometimes there are niches where the average customer review will be 3 or 3.5 stars, yet the sales velocity and customer demand is super high. But for whatever reason, the Amazon sellers have not been able to find a manufacturer to produce a quality product. Well, if you can do the hard work and dig in and find a manufacturer that can bring a quality product, you're gonna win immediately because you know there's customer demand. However, no one's been able to bring a quality product yet. So that's the second way that you bring value. The third way is innovation. Work with the manufacturer, tweak the design, bring a new twist to the product that is going to be beneficial to the customer. Many times people think that's going to be really hard to do, but sometimes it's not. I've actually have a number of products on Amazon that I just made a slight tweak, a new innovation to, and it made all the difference. The sixth secret is quality, quality, quality. I cannot hammer home this enough. When you are working with the manufacturer, you have to have a quality product. Otherwise, as soon as you launch it, you'll go through all the work of bringing it to Amazon, but as soon as you launch it, the customers are going to kill your listing with negative reviews. So you have to make sure that you have a quality product, and that takes work. So you need to work with the manufacturer through the entire process. After you get the sample, you need to spec it out, and you need to be super detailed and giving instructions to your manufacturer. You need to follow that production through pre-production, mid-production, and post-production. And of course, you're gonna have a tremendous inspection done at the end before those products ship to you in the USA. You have to have a quality product. Number 7, create a killer listing. Listen, 40% of all Amazon shoppers now make their purchases on mobile. What does that mean? It means you need to stop the scroll. How are you gonna stop the scroll? Well, you're gonna have a great main image. So the main image is what catches the customer's eye, and you're not just gonna stop with that main image, because when they click into your listing, you're gonna have phenomenal lifestyle images. You're gonna have images that are full of call outs where they talk about the benefits of your product. You're gonna have a great title that's optimized, full of the keywords that customers use in searching for your product. You're gonna have an amazing bullet points where it's gonna talk about the features and the benefits of your product. You're gonna have a great description, and then you're gonna fill up every single space you can in that back end, again, full of the keywords that customers are using to find your product. You're gonna create a killer listing. The 8th secret is you're gonna provide insane customer service. Many times people think that when you just put a product on Amazon, that Amazon's gonna handle all the customer service. But I'm gonna let you in on a secret. One of the ways that we win with our products is we provide great customer service. We actually provide an 800 phone number, and we have live customer support 24 hours, 7 days a week, so that we're able to talk to our customers whenever they encounter any type of problems with our products. So you want to provide great customer service. That's how you are going to beat out your competition. The 9th secret is build out your brand. So once you find that winning product, then begin to produce other products that complement your winning product. Don't start chasing shiny objects. Don't start going outside of the niche. Once you find that winning product, then you want to stay focused, dig deep, and build out that niche. The 10th secret is build beyond Amazon. We all love Amazon. We think it is the absolute best platform to launch a product and to build brand awareness, but don't stop there. Begin to build out your Shopify site. Look at other online platforms. You don't want to just stop at Amazon. The way that you build your brand ultimately is you get your customer information by selling on other sales channels. And then the holy grail is to build out your own store. Whether you use Shopify, whether you build it out on WordPress, you want to be the one that owns the customer. These 10 secrets are what have helped me build my $1 million brand on Amazon. I hope they're helpful to you. If you like them, hit the like button. Comment with any questions below. If you haven't joined our Amazing Freedom Facebook yet, I highly encourage you to join our supportive community there. If you want to build $1 million brand, start with these 10 secrets and then build off of them. Hit that subscribe button. Any comments or questions, please drop them below. And I hope these secrets help you build your $1 million brand on Amazon.